Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share the July-August Shots of Life kit. So our Shots of Life comes out every other month and it includes cut apart cards. Sometimes it will have actual Project Life cards and embellishments. So it's perfect for our pocket page scrapbookers, or if you do memory keeping or traveler's notebook size, anything small like that. It's also great for traditional scrapbooking as well in the larger sizes. The Shots of Life also coordinates with our flavors of the month, so it's a great add-on to it so that you can get more pattern paper and more embellishments. And I'll have those reveal videos at the end, so be sure to check them out. Along with your kits, you'll have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed for the Scrap Room subscribers from Cut to You, and this month is this awesome cut file, I Like You a Latte, with the little latte cup and the florals over here. Super cute. It will go with our collections. It's perfect for summer. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's kit. The first thing we're going to look at is our pattern papers. So this month it's all 12 by 12 cut aparts. You're going to get one for each one of the collections that we're featuring. So first up is Echo Park Firefly, and you'll get the 4 by 6 cut aparts. The back is the super cute pattern on the navy blue with the little fireflies. Simple Stories Happy Travels, you're going to get the 4 by 6 cut aparts for it as well. I love this one with the checklist here. Super fun for traveling. And then we have a striped with little stitching printed on there. We have Paige Evans Happy Haven, which is another cut apart, and this one has different sizes. So we have little square ones. We also have 3 by 4 and 4 by 4s. Love these that are perfect for journaling, but you've also got some that you could fussy cut as well, the little buttons. And the back is more cut apart, so you can choose which cut apart that you like. That's also great for pocket page scrapbooking, so you can use it on both sides of the page. That one also has the full branding strip. Vicki Bouton's Cut and Paste. We have the 3 by 4 cut aparts. Super cute. And the back is this little ivy pattern with the full branding strip saying notes across the top. We have Coffee Shop from Cartabella, which is the 4 by 6 cut aparts. Just this gorgeous pink and green with this dark charcoal black color. Super cute. The back is a floral print with the little coffee cups here. Then we have Echo Park Summer Break, and this one is a cut apart that has 4 by 6, 3 by 4s, and 2 by 2s. So lots of options there. And the back is this large plaid. We have Doodlebug Designs Be Happy. I love these journal spots that they do. Super cute. And these as well, because this can be used all together in a pocket, or you can cut it apart and use. This is really awesome because these could be great to use for cards, for greeting cards, if you want to use some of your leftovers for that. The back is a diagonal stripe in the yellow and the black. We have Simple Stories. This is from their Simple Vintage collection. It's called Woodlands. 3 by 4 cut aparts. Just beautiful, rich colors, all about the outdoors. And the back is this green tone-on-tone fern print. Love it. So that is a look at your cut aparts. Now we're going to look at your embellishments. For the embellishment portion, you're going to get a little bit of embellishments for each one of the collections. And all of these embellishments will vary except for the 12 by 12 sticker sheet and the doodle pop. So those everybody will get, but these you'll get a portion of the embellishments. So starting with Firefly, you're going to receive a third a pack of the frames and tags ephemera pieces. So you can see I have a little frame back here and then some tags, just lots of little phrases that you could use for subtitles and titles in your projects. From Simple Stories Happy Travels, you're going to get some of the chipboard pieces, and then you're also going to get some of the enamel dots. So I guess everybody will get the same enamel dots as well because they're the same on the other half. From Vicki Bouton's Cut and Paste, you're going to get some puffy stickers. So these will vary, but these are the ones that I got. Super cute. And Paige Evans Happy Haven, you're going to get some washi tape. So this is the one that I got. It's a thin with the green ivy on it. And then from Cartabella Coffee Shop, you're going to receive about 1/3 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these are the ones that I received. Lots of little options there, plenty to do your projects with. And the Doodle Pop is this adorable little floral with the mushroom and the little bumblebees. Echo Park Summer Break, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this fun border down here with these marquee arrows, little hopscotch, bicycle, all these fun summer activities that are a little bit retro. So a lot of fun there. Making the little pop-up tent. I always love doing that with my kids. You're also going to get some of the chipboard pieces from that collection. And then Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Woodlands. You're going to get some of the chipboard pieces from that as well. And just look how cute that is. So that is the embellishment portion of your Shots of Life. So one more look at everything that you're going to get. Be sure to check out all the other kits we have as well as the individual items that we have in the store. Come on over to the Facebook group, join us in some challenges, get all your freebies. Don't forget to get your freebie cut file. Come and see all the inspiration from the design team. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.